Officially, hello guys, and thank you for joining. It would be nice to see you all, guys. If you can open your camera, because it's any which is we're doing social distancing, we don't need to do social distancing. But in case if the connectivity is bad, I do get it. So, yay! How does it get any better than we see to all lovely faces? So, possessive.
Thank you for having possessiveness. Thank you for having a call on this topic, possessiveness. Am I being able to be heard? I have no headphones, so I don't know if you all can hear me clearly.
We can hear you. And just if you think like scream as a way I know you'll not scream at your child, but scream at somebody who's hitting the child and you're screaming at the lady, how dare you hitting the child? So get that energy. Because if somebody would have told me scream at your child, I would have like full out. But for you, I know you'll not scream at your child. So you scream at somebody who's hitting the child and you feel how wrong they are.
You'll be amazed if you ask Javeer, he'll say, my mama does nothing but scream for the last 7 days.
Okay.
Gone into lockdown, all my patience is finished with homework. 0 under goal. I mean, I'm actually having to talk at the volume which I make sure that I don't use anymore in my life. I don't know how to communicate nowadays.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting to hear, no? Please do some pock and podding of this for me. Help me out here.
Okay, when you're saying, so what did you made it wrong for not screaming?
I've been made very wrong for talking so loudly that it's unacceptable way of communicating.
Till date, I've been made wrong for. They said, do you have a mic fit in your vocal cord or something that you scream so loudly, you talk so loudly? I said, yeah. See, I don't need even a speaker. Just my one voice get attention.
Yeah, so I kind of even said that to Jay very sweetly because I thought, okay, he's at an age, maybe he may get it. So I said, can you just understand this is me, my voice, this is my volume. It has nothing to do with my emotion. I don't know how much a 7-year-old can understand that. But
interesting point of view, you are judging the person by his size.
नहीं मैंने बोला ना जज नहीं किया मैं तेरे को बता रही हूँ मतलब बोल के तो कर दिया but mind में हुआ judgment I get
mind में judgment हुआ तो what do you think he is just a piece a human who doesn't tap into energy only you can tap into energy and he cannot because he's just 7-year-old
पता नहीं यार he is very good at of not tapping into his awareness let me say that
he chooses not to because it's working for him. And
exactly.
Whatever works for him, when mama is angry or guilty, we can easily tap whether we want to tap what mama else is telling me.
Oh yes. I have come to the awareness that he is superbly got the genetic genes of manipulation from everywhere under the sun. But it's not working with me in any case.
Yes, so outcreating. Great. So today's topic is possessive. Let's stick to the topic because it's very heavy and we will go helter-skelter everywhere not to tap into, including me. So let's dive into directly to possessive. So when I say the word possessive, what comes to you?
Ownership. Control.
Okay, ownership, control. Anybody else? Anything else pops out when you say the word possessive? Because
for me, hoarding comes in. Hoarding.
Okay.
My way.
Or highway.
Yeah.
That's why I said ownership, like ownership and control. My way or highway comes in kind of thing.
Okay. Insecurity. Taruna
yes.
say. Yeah. Okay. So how many of you guys are afraid of rejection? Everything that brings up.
Not me. I think the Rex person.
Oh, okay, not you. See, okay, fine. Let's
kidding.
Let's twist it around. You know why are we possessive? I'm also guilty as charged. I am possessive about certain things, not about a lot of things, but few things I'm still possessive. And why are we possessive is the fear that we are possessive about the person who knows us the most. Because it's so difficult to find somebody with whom you can be you.
Yes.
We call it insecurity. We call it's a fear of rejection because everybody else has rejected. Somebody has actually got the value of where we can be ourselves.
Yeah.
We can put our guards down, lower our guards down, where if I talk rubbish also, I can. And losing that thing, that space is what it is. So
Yes.
when you said it's not me, Jasmine, I will ask, okay, be honest. Okay, what are you possessive about? Okay, is there any particular thing that you're possessive about? Then I can begin.
That was something I was joking because the topic is heavy. I'm having a headache.
Oh, okay. No. I thought in case nahi, because quite possible a lot of
So,
times.
but no, I don't know about possessiveness, but allowing myself to get myself be taken for granted in relationships, not honoring me, to adjust to something and then getting angry. I don't know if this is possessiveness or what it is. I don't know.
When we say possessive, it is mine. We become very territorial.
Yeah.
Possessiveness is territorial. It's mine, that you will go out to fend and have. So that's why. See, possessiveness also, there's an underlying energy of, when he said hoarding, it's like somebody who cannot work without you. You do so much for them that you are indispensable in their life.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
you are indispensable in their lives.
You become indispensable in their life because, and that is all hopes and fantasies. Nobody is everybody is indispensable. We feel we don't have. That's the reason we go out of the way, cutting parts and pieces, so that the person feels, oh, she's doing so much for me and I cannot live without. That's the time we are taking charge of anything and everything. We don't submit because
So,
we fear being indispensable.
right. My mother is very indispensable in our lives.
But okay, God forbid she goes out for 3 months somewhere, having a gala time, leaving all you alone. Do you think anything will come to a stop in your life?
No, it does. It makes me mad also. Like
For 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 1 month,
20
2 months.
days. Yeah.
Then? But in
No,
her
I
mind,
don't know. I'm just trying to think that, like, maybe I'm possessive about another. Like, I'm just trying to see that do I have possessiveness of people or I have possessive people in my life?
okay. See,
That's what I'm trying to see.
okay. I'm just saying, let's be open. Let's see where it goes. Okay.
Sure.
Why? Because the thing is, when we say possessive, is somewhere the fear of rejection. Because it's like I've worked hard to build this relationship. I've worked hard to come out of my fear and expose myself to this person completely. Because otherwise, we normally, when you fear a rejection, you are on a complete mode of my way or highway.
Achha, but what about when in any case rejection is finished and you are still possessive? Uske baad kya?
See, rejection is finished, you're still possessive, is because you have figured it out. You will, somewhere you've concluded that you will not get somebody like this. You will never be vulnerable like this with anybody else. That's your conclusion, which doesn't allow you to leave. Like, laat kha gaye, jute pad gaye, then also we are like,
What if instead of a conclusion, it's a decision? I don't want to be vulnerable.
So fine. See, if you don't want to be vulnerable, then you have limited your choice. And when you have limited your choice, so whatever you have, you're holding and holding on to that in whatever form it is left. That's where holding comes in.
Yeah, I got it. I got that.
Yeah. But now if you think you have a choice and if you give yourself permission to be rejected, it is such a beautiful thing, because we try somebody to possessiveness come with the fear that nobody can receive me. It's an underlining fear that we have, that we will not be received by a lot of people. Because if you will be received by
Money karta.
no, because see, okay, tell me one thing. If you have like 10,000 party dresses and all your favorite, will you only pick up one dress? But if you have 3 dresses, which is your party dresses and your favorite dresses, and it's very expensive, very nice, and every time you wear that, you get compliment. How much you take care of and keep it aside and only wear when you think is appropriate.
Yeah, I do that.
Yeah. But if you have 10,000 shirts and also beautiful, every time you wear that and people like, oh, wow. So you will be so possessive about those shirts, or you'll be okay with it?
Yeah, okay.
Because there's no lack.
It's to do with lack. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there's no lack, there is abundance.
Yes.
Yeah, if I have abundance of people around me who gets me, who knows me, who loves me, and where I can drop my barriers down and I can be me. Do you think I will hold them? Ki nahi, only my person? I'll be possessive when they're talking to somebody, when they're giving that importance to anybody. Like in a relationship, if you have a boyfriend or you have a husband who used to just look at you and talk to you, right? And you're so important. You're so important. He made you so important in your life. He made you feel so nice about you all the time. And when he's flirting or talking to somebody else, you are so possessive. You're like, how can he give my this is me, this is my understanding, this is my relationship with him, how can he talk like this to someone else? But that's maybe his style, but for you, he's the only one giving it to you. That is the only source from where it is coming.
Okay.
And
Okay.
that's the reason you're not ready to share that source with anybody, not even with your kids sometime.
Yeah.
There should be another source in life. What fun.
But there are multiple sources. It doesn't mean, see, when we say
I'm
something,
joking.
it doesn't, no, because the whole idea somewhere we are twisted and glummed is like, if I receive the sexualness, if I receive the flirtiness and things like that, it has to only come from one person who's my boyfriend or my husband. I cannot be, because I'll be a whore. It's an underlining energy of being a whore where you are flirting, laughing, and receiving from everybody. That's the reason we don't receive from everybody. We have points of view because the person is judging me, my character, of how loose you are. How many times we have judged people when people are throwing, the women are throwing on men and laughing and like, such a loose character, she must be wanting something, she's all over. I'm guilty as charged. I have done it a lot of times. So because of the judgments you have made, how much are you threading, looking, is this an appropriate way, not appropriate way? But you give your freedom. He's my childhood friend. He knows me. He knows I just talk. So I can be loose-footed. I can be anything. Oh, he knows me. And we are possessed about those people. The possessiveness comes.
It seems to be a vicious circle because I have this fear of rejection. I will not approach. And because I will not approach, I only have one. Then I'll try and
hold it. And
hold that one.
And that's what suffocates the other person.
Yeah, yeah.
If you are the only one, see, some people will like it. Okay, if you are the only one in my life, and I like, okay, you're just for me, and I will not share with anybody. Few days you will like the importance. Few days you like the thrill that somebody is head over toes over you and like calling you, checking you. But after some time, you will be like, but I need to go meet my friends. No, but you need to meet me. This is my time with you. You cannot go out. This is me time with me. But you're like, but I only get 5 to 6 free. So I know I love you, but I need to step out and meet somebody. No, that means you don't love me. That means you don't care for me. Because for you, that is the one source. And for the other person, there are multiple sources. Though they feel suffocated because they don't get it from which space you are operating from. And rejection is like, what have you decided about yourself that you're rejecting you? Because it's coming from a rejection, and rejection is coming from your underlying belief about yourself in any area. It can be relationship, it can be money, it can be anything. See, we can be possessive about our money, we can be possessive about our relationship, we can be possessive about our clothing. It can be so many different things. But underlining is a belief in lack. Underlining belief is the fear of, okay, Taruna, yeah. Say, what do you think?
Yeah, so I'm currently in a relationship and I'm in an open relationship for now. But then I have this thing with my boyfriend that he talks very less to me and he hardly calls. He says that he loves me, but then there's still a feeling that I constantly have ki life mein koi hoga. And even after me being with talking to the people and being with them, it still makes me feel insecure. So I'm really unsure that is this what I should be? Is this the relationship that I would like to have?
Sorry,
or
first of all, open relationship. When you said truth, it was your choice.
Not really.
Right. So you were forced to have an
Uh,
open relationship when it was not your choice. So first of all, we need to be very honest. What kind of a relationship works for me? If I like that attention, and I need that man to give me attention. But if he's in an open or a free relationship, he will give me when he has time.
no, he is not. I am in. So he says that he gives me a choice to be with other men, which at some point of time I feel okay with. But then after a point of time, I feel that कि हाँ मेरे boyfriend को तो मुझे time देना चाहिए करके मतलब
No,
थोड़ा
but
तो
if
at
you are
least
in an
like
open relationship, is he seeing someone else?
no, he's not.
Okay, so how much are you fearing the moment you see someone else, then he'll get a green pass to see someone else? How much are you not exercising the choice that he's giving you with the fear that if I do something, of course you started it. I gave you a free will and you started it. So what do you truly desire here? It is the deep down fear is that it's not when I'm not enjoying somebody. There's a lack fear that if I'll do it, he will do it again tomorrow.
Okay. And what is that he doesn't talk to me at all? मतलब, like, we have definitions about
Okay.
relationships,
Can
like
I,
at
sorry,
least
is your relationship over? Truth.
I feel so.
So
But
everywhere
then I,
trying to fix those parts and pieces because he made you feel something you could not feel right now with other people around. That's the reason you're not able to jump across or cross over. Can you let go of that?
yes,
Right, wrong, good, but see, sometimes what happens when you make a favorite cake, okay, it tastes out so yummy. The taste and the flavor of that cake is there. And then every time when I'm eating a cake, I'm looking for that flavor, which doesn't allow me to enjoy a different flavor of the cake. Right? So what he made you feel, and every time when you're looking with the open relationship or with somebody, right? But you are trying to match the experience or the feeling that you had with other person, but that other person is not the person who is there, because we all bring a little flavor. Today if you are dating me, for example, okay, you and me will have a different experience because my energies are very different. So you and me, when we mix together, we'll create a different catalyst of conversion, and a different flavor will come. But it may
okay.
be nice, it may not be nice. But if you have an expectation of like a smooth calm, and I am full of energy, okay, so you will have a fire feeling with me and not the calm feeling. So you will be rejecting this fire feeling as not matching your point of view of your experience, that you have concluded that that kind of a experience I would like to have. Right? So when you're saying that I am free, I am ready, but I'm not getting, is because you want to have that particular thing that you have it in mind. But even him can't give you because that doesn't match. We are evolving at the same time. You need to ask, okay, what do I truly desire? And if this
Okay.
relationship is over in awareness, not in words, why am I still latching on it? What security is this giving me? Sometimes the feel that I'm in a relationship makes me feel good about me, because otherwise I'm following other people's point of view. Oh, you're not in a relationship or in a relationship. So what is that latching is giving you?
So yeah, I feel a kind of security when it comes to a relationship, and I have this still have this ingrained point of view that okay, someday getting married will be a security, or someday having a partner will be a security.
Truth, is it a security? Is it your point of view? Sorry. Truth, is it your point of view that having a partner is a security, is getting married a security? Truth, is it a point of view?
No, it's
So
not.
everywhere you're buying your mom's point of view, your relatives' points of views, people around you, their point of view that getting married is a security, and we need to be secure and safe with the person we know rather than experiment. Can we destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes, please,
Right?
because
And one more thing I would like you to ask, are you free spirited, or you like people to guide you?
I like people to guide me.
Truth?
I'm I'm like not really sure.
Truth?
It's a maybe it can okay. I'm a
Truth.
free spirit. free-spirited person.
Right? So how much you already have a point of view that a marriage or a relationship will curb your free spiritness, that you
I
desire,
do have that.
you
I
desire,
do have that.
and you falter. So you're like, I'm making an effort. Listen, I'm making an effort, but it's not working out. Rather than being honest and yourself and says, okay, what do I truly desire? If time is not a limit, biological clock is not a limit, what do I truly desire in my life?
So it feels like that, yeah, the time thing that I am 32, one, and also you keep being in this reality and picking up on point of view, the two things.
Okay, if we don't make this reality wrong and not make this reality an excuse for not seeing what is the underlying current. I know this reality, but I'm just asking you to let's not make that an excuse. Let's see what is an underlying belief you have about yourself, that you want somebody to make you believe what you don't believe about you.
Okay, so I constantly keep flipping between this, to have a marriage and to not have a marriage. Like I constantly keep that double binding thing that I keep doing to
Okay.
myself. Times I would like to have it as open. I feel really good about it, but after some point of time, I start feeling no. I would like to have
So when you're
somebody.
saying open, when you're saying, okay, how many people, all of you, how many things, wherever you are possessive about, if you're about money, if you're about relationship, if you're about clothes, if you're about jewelry, how many of that you would require, which will give you a feeling that you are good enough within you, that you will stop hoarding. We each have a different number to it.
Yep.
For different things. So for you, Taruna, since we are talking, how many guys would you require to be running around you? Hello, ma'am. Hi, love you. Hi, sweetheart. What are you doing? How many guys would you require to get out of the compulsion of a necessity of having one?
Not getting a number as of now.
It can be million, it can be zillion. Why are you
Could
fixing
be.
on 1 to 10, and when you're thinking, oh my God, अगर मैं 10 बोलूँगी क्या सोचेंगे?
Like I like 100 भी हो सकता है करके
1000 भी हो
100.
सकता है, infinite भी हो सकता है.
हाँ,
It
and
doesn't mean
and
And
while
वो इतना होगा तो कितना सेक्स करूंगी, सबके साथ सेक्स नहीं करना है. So you can have areas with different form.
and like while you were speaking about that, I also got this point of view that every time I date a guy, and then I end up asking about relationship again. So
Okay,
I still have a security thing.
what agenda do you have about relationship? That you unwilling to have fun in with the person rather than pinpointing boss relationship material? Okay, not out. Okay, out. Where deep down, okay, when you see or when you go and see guys or check out guys, with whose eyes are you checking them out with? With whose point of view are you checking out them with? किसको साथ में लेके जा रही है? नानी को, दादी को, मम्मी को, फ्रेंड को, किसको? All that bio data you're taking? No, that's not true at all for her. You are dating a guy, you're not employing them.
Okay.
Employee, it's easy to get rid of.
No. The thing is, when you're dating, if you don't like it, like a flavor of an ice cream, I didn't like it, I will not have tomorrow. But are you willing to be giving yourself that permission, that bitch? Because I can't be a bitch now. How can I? I need to prove that I'm so nice. What the person will think about me. Any which ways, I have a fear or I have a concern of rejection. So I need to be goody shoes so that they don't reject me. Even if it means I don't like that person. How many times? Yeah, because how many times when if people are not getting complimented, when the cheapster gives you a compliment, deep inside you feel high. Oh, okay, somebody noticed me. Huh? And in your face, you're like, how can he give me? Have you seen himself? It's because there's a lack. in your universe that you're like कि कहीं से तो आया. So at least be honest with yourself rather than to the world. So
Yes.
what is that lack that helps you to hold on thing? Because there is a lack. We are operating from a lack when we are holding on something. What
So
have you
what is the
decided you are
so
not deserving?
I always feel this lack about a relationship. And what is this? I mean, like, I
Is
would
it
really
even
like.
yours? Okay, truth. Is it even yours?
No, no, no.
So when if it's not yours, why are you trying to solve the puzzle which the pieces also doesn't belongs to you?
Okay. I constantly keep on searching for this clarity that why
Okay,
I
I
don't
will
have.
ask you one question. When you were growing up, were you aware of so many people's relationship which was so different? Or their need for a relationship?
Yes, and also I am in a family wherein uh, we are all three women and they have no relationship.
So, okay. So now when you grow up in a surrounding which is so common, so you're so used to seeing it. So what will you first thing you'll pick up what is going in people's head is something which is so familiar. So every time you pick up the need of a relationship from people's head and thinking it is yours, because it's like how it is like people who grew up in a designer house, they like fabric. Oh, I can close my eyes and feel the fabric and tell you what fabric it is. You put anywhere
Oh,
the fabric, right? So we all take pride in that because that is one
I
of the
totally
talents.
get it now. Where did it come from?
Yeah, now you get it? Great. So all of you see in the area where you are being possessive, what is the underlying current? Because there's an underlying belief you have about yourself, which doesn't allow you to let go. We are possessive. If it's not working, if it's toxic, also we are holding on because we fear the other one will be worse, or will I get the other one also or not?
Hmm. So there's also
So Ruchi,
what I'm getting, a lack of trust.
So
So
do
I'm
you
not
trust
trusting.
yourself? Do you trust yourself?
Yeah, I don't trust myself.
So see the thing is,
And for me, I'm possessive about my everything, each and everything, be it my books, be it my nail polishes or whatever, my clothes, everything.
okay,
I'm
so
possessive.
how much people appreciated you as a child that you're so good at taking care of it? You like the label, you like the appreciation so much as a child that you're like, it's my thing, it's my product, it's my creativity. I need to be taking care so that people can appreciate. So how much hungry are you for appreciation?
Yeah.
Right? So that's what I said. For each one, possessive will be in a very different area.
so Ruchi, in my case, like on one side not letting, no holding on, and the other side not letting in. Can it be that way?
Yeah. Because how much have you decided letting in? Like for me, surrendering is an issue. I'm working on it. And I just realized that I have an issue with surrender. Okay, in one of the call. So it's a work in progress. Why? Because submission for me is surrender or submission for me is basically maybe a lot of lifetime. The only image that comes is like chopping in the battle where you surrender and they chop your head. So when you're saying letting in here, Jasmine, how much are you fearful that if you let in person, your life will go upside down? How much have you seen people walking over other people's life when they let that person in their life? But that was
So,
their choice.
like for example, like a lot about Jimmy, and I think now it's anyway over also probably. But there were times that he was telling me I love you, but I would just in the past I wanted love to be in action, and I don't know if it's guilt or what, but I loved him, but I would not say love you back. And so what is that? I
Okay,
don't
what
know.
is that is like my way of expressing love is so different from your way of expressing love. That doesn't mean I don't love you. My way of someone's way of expressing love will be buying monetary gifts, and that's they have learned how expressing love is. For you, expressing love is action that you have learned from while you were growing up.
No, it's different. It's more like earlier I have allowed words to I have bought into words and let myself get hurt, and I don't want to do that. So I think there's this fear of letting in, which
So
probably always there on both sides.
everywhere you've decided if you let somebody in, they will hurt you. So that's the reason your barriers are up. Because if I don't let you in, I don't get you hurt. And truth, you need to ask, what am I aware of? It is just words or does he mean it? Because a lot of time when we don't reciprocate, I love you. It's also from a point of view that I am aware it's not matching. It's just words that is ringing. I can keep saying, Jasmine, I love you, I love you, I love you, but my action shows something different. It's only
But he was anyway very ill, right?
that's you're giving reasons and justification for
Right.
making his action sounds better. What if
Yeah.
you don't have to defend him?
Right.
And everywhere, all of you are defending your those things. For
And what this very extremely bad habit of always trying to, just because there were few weeks or months or some time when it was good, then going on always kind of giving an explanation for that person or defending him, that person in
How
your
many,
mind. And
okay, let me ask you one thing. Sorry, it's a little personal. Did you feel that you were not defended ever by anybody who ever claimed that they love you? Did they have
yes,
you back?
yes.
So when they didn't have and I miss that, so by a default setting, I keep doing rather than asking, does this person require this of me? But I feel that because I lagged and I don't want that person to lag, I will make sure give that to him, whether they desire or they don't desire.
Can you say that again? And like, now there are people who have my back, right? But still I'm
Interesting, but do you have your own back? Because if unless you don't have your own back, how many thousand hands will still feel incomplete?
oh
I know
God,
you will say,
can there not be a magic have your back formula?
yeah, magic has your back formula. Every day get up and says, I will have my back no matter what. I will have my back no matter what. I'm not going to judge my action. I'm not going to judge my choices. I'm not going to judge if I be ugly bitch today. That is a magic formula. अगर एक कैप्सूल होता हम कब ले चुके होते ना इसकी कॉल की जरूरत होती वो प्लैनेट भी कोरोना वायरस नहीं क्रिएट करता to reset the value. We all desire, and it's not you, Jasmine. Wherever you're feeling कि boss, grass is always greener on the other side. We always feel कि यार लाइफ लोगों की इतनी इजी है, मेरी इतनी अनकंफर्टेबल क्यों है, मुझे समझ में आता है, still why I don't make this choice, why is it? Believe me, we all start our race from a very different point. What is easy for you may not be easy in my universe, and what is easy for me may not be in your universe. That's the reason is don't compare, because two boxes are not made out of machine. We are human or whatever you want to call, but it's basically we are different. Our essence is different. So what choices are you going to make today? And if you don't have to make a lifelong commitment, just make a commitment for 1 hour, 1 day, even that suffice. Because at least you're choosing. And when you will get the taste of it, having your own back, it's like hail come, storm come, I still have my back. Right now, you don't have that flavor of having your own back, what it feels like, looks like, be like. So a very small exercise is like, okay, universe, show me what having my back looks like. Because right now, having your back looks like, you will go with the reference point of whomever you know and think that they have their own back. They may not have. Image is very misleading. Because so many people, if you see, they're so happy, and when they come, they break down, and you can't even know what's going on inside their world. But just by the image of them, they look perfect. So don't buy anybody's reference of what having your own back looks like. Ask the universe to show it to you. It's there. Ask your teammates to show it to you. They're there. Because when you're saying nobody's there for you, all of us somewhere, ask your teammates to be there with you 24/7 and sense their presence around you. Are you lonely? No. Universe has with you, but you're like, hey, you're not counted because I can't show off. You can't be my trophy husband. You can't be my trophy boyfriend. You can't be my trophy house that I can walk around with. So I reject you. How much are you rejecting yourself when you fear people are rejecting you? People are only giving you what you considered you can receive. And it's a very beautiful thing. I was reading today in Beings of Life book about receiving, and one passage which got attention was there was when a sibling, there's always a conflict. My mom, like I had this, like my mom loves my brother more than myself. Okay, so I always grew up with this point of view where I had to prove that she needs to love me because I thought she only complains about me. But I was unwilling to receive the judgment she had about the way I look or the way I dress. That's the reason I rejected the whole parcel of her love. And I always operated from the space that she doesn't love me. And she love my brother more. And that's what I thought that about everybody. But why? Because he was willing to receive the judgment also what she had. He had no point of view. So he was willing to receive everything. And when somebody is willing to receive, how we call and says, hey, I have this, can I give it to you? You'll be like, yeah, okay, I can have it. And when you call that somebody and says, nahi yaar, no, the second time you don't call, you're like, okay, giving is also like a Mahabharata where you have to convince the person to receive. So that's the reason, what are you unwilling to receive? And that's the reason we are operating from lack of those things, because we're not willing to receive. It's a receiving issue. It's not the holding issue. It's a receiving. What are you unwilling to receive? Because when I asked Taruna how many people, she could not fathom, because 1 and 2 were not enough, but I cannot give myself permission to become millions. So nothing comes in my mind.
So Ruchi, how do we open up this receiving?
Receiving is like, okay, put your barriers down and I'm going to receive the good, bad and ugly today. Everything, the good, the bad and the ugly, I will receive with no point of view, and put all your barriers down. And we all know when our barriers are going up, because the moment the barriers are going up, we are into thinking, can I receive? Can I not receive? And we go, oh, what do I need to tell the person to receive? The moment you go into your head is your barriers up. It's a telltale sign that your barriers are up the moment you're in your head.
Okay.
Receiving is when you see a child who goes into anybody's house and says, hey, auntie, can I have a chocolate? Hey, can you give me this, please? Like my son, when he was 4 years old, it was so amazing. He would go walk anybody's house, open the fridge and says, hey, you have a lot of candies, can I have? And I use like shame. I'm like, what they will think? And remembering Sunana used to stay in my building, used to go and say, auntie, can I have chicken nuggets, please? And I used to get hold of me like, what the hell are you going? Why are you going and asking everybody for everything? What they will think that your mother doesn't feed you anything? So because of my point of view, but he didn't have the point of view how the person is going to look or receive, because he was not thinking. And what I was doing, I was thinking, I was not receiving when people offered anything. That's the difference of receiving with no points of view and actually receiving. Sorry, actually receiving.
And what about staying on with people who can't receive me? What about that?
So ask, am I willing to receive myself? Do I give myself permission to be me in front of everybody? They can't receive you because you are not being you. Because wherever I decide this person can't receive
But
this,
I don't think that's true. I think I be me easily. That's why they can't receive me.
that's also okay. So what point of view, where have you decided that they cannot receive you? Where have you concluded in the past because they could not receive you, and everywhere you are holding that point of view and still carrying on till date that they cannot receive you? So your projections, expectations, separation, rejection, judgment you have about those people, which doesn't allow you to see anything beyond that. So clear, destroy and create your relationship with them so that you can see them from a different light. For example, see, I'm very talkative, okay, and I'm bubbly and I'm dancing all over. The moment I got married, it was kind of a projection that I got. My in-laws are very quiet and everything. So whenever I used to go to Calcutta, I am a completely different person who doesn't talk and only the. And but what am I doing? Am I receiving me? No, because I have somewhere concluded that they cannot receive the energy that I be. Okay, so I need to be a certain different person. But am I receiving me? No, I have a point of view about my behavior. That's the reason I'm not ready to be what I am in front of them also. Because somewhere in my mind, I have a projection, I have an expectation that I need to play this role. It's a role that we decide that we need to play for that particular person, not necessarily true. Because if you be you and you don't have a point of view, you don't have a guilt, nobody can give you that. People make you feel guilty because I have a guilt of being myself in that situation. How many times you have been you and people are so fine with you and nobody says anything. But sometimes when you are contracting and trying to be you and you have so much thing going on, people come and complain you right away that, listen, you're not giving us time. They make you feel guilty, or you're spending too much, or whatever the guilt is about. Because that's the sign board you go with and says, judge me because I am judging me. This is a button, this is a trigger, this is my button, just push it.
And so, like, it feels like if I be me, I'm dropped like a hot cake.
So do you drop yourself like a hot cake when how much judgment you have of you, or what you are and what you are not? If you are an infinite being, you can transform, shape anything. But how much the rightness of who you are you're holding on, which doesn't give you the freedom to be anything. We want a prescription of what we are, but what we are cannot fit into the prescription. When you are being you, you will feel light. Whenever you're feeling light, that is the time you're being you. And if you're not feeling light, that's the time you're trying to put on a mask or trying to be someone else that you're not. That is the only prescription you can get.
Yeah, so for me, that's if I may talk right now. I'm sorry. Should I talk right now? Should I wait for the...
You already jumped in, so go on.
I don't want to jump in now. No? I can jump out also and wait my...
I'll start. That's
okay. So like, possessiveness is when I realize that I'm not being me. As in, like, when I feel possessive, I realize that I have been showing myself to not be possessive, but I'm a very possessive person. Now the thing is, I don't want to be a possessive person anymore. That's also something I feel.
First, you acknowledge you're possessive. That's one way, because a lot of times we say we are not possessive, the other person is possessive about me. But the opposite is true. Okay, fine, you're possessive. So why are you possessive? What does the person have that you think you will not get anywhere, that you have to hold him? Sorry, I know a backward story, so I am not going around the fence and just directly hitting you.
I don't know. What does the person have? I mean, I don't know is not an answer which I have. I don't know,
what does he make you feel in his presence? That the whole idea of he being with you, what it makes you feel, which you don't get, which you have decided you cannot feel without.
Okay, no, I have never got before from anywhere. Neither have, I don't know, yeah, is acceptance.
So are you willing to accept you?
I am. That's why I'm on this call, that I want to be able to move out of this.
Agreed. I know that's the reason you are, but I am just going to ask you every day. It's not about today accepting myself, because I accept myself today with 100 people, fine. Tomorrow, very, it's like a go routine, very comfortable space that it is. Then I will go back being my old, right? So every day, like when Jasmine asked, I said, every day you have to say, today I'm going to accept myself and allow myself to be me. I am willing, pocket pot, everything, all the projection I have, all the labels I have about me, and everything which doesn't allow me to accept my own self for whoever I am, even with the filthiest part of me, even if the ugliest part of me, I'll accept myself. Because see, the thing is, when we are possessive, the only reason that pops up for me with my friends or things, I was talking to somebody else yesterday, and the possessiveness word yesterday also popped up, is because where you don't have any guards. The reason is you don't have any guards. And you can have no guards when we are comfortable in our skin, and when we accept ourselves, we will not have any guards with anybody. We only allow ourselves to drop that guards down because we know the person will accept us for who we are because of the past reference point.
Okay.
And it's when you be in allowance and be in the space, because when you don't have only one person to talk to, And when you have 1,000 people with whom you can let go the card, you will not come across as charging over that person. Energetic, not physically. Right? Because I have multiple friends, so will not just call you. I will call somebody else. I'll call somebody else where I can be me. And that's give each one of us the space, because what we desire is the space. And when we are hoarding, when we are possessive about something, it's like, what have you decided you will not get if you let go of this pattern, if you let go of this person, if you let go of your jewelry, if you let go of your money, if you let go of your house, wherever you're hoarding or being possessive about, or a style in case of Rima.
Why am I possessive of my son also then?
So because the thing is, वो मेरा है, कोई एक तो मेरा है, बाकी तो दुनिया में मेरे कोई है ही नहीं, तो जो एक मेरा है, मेरा बच्चा है, मैं ले लेती हूँ ना.
Yeah, no, okay. I kind of have worked out the fact that, like you walked through the thing earlier about what you function from as a child. I always had to share. My earliest memory, my earliest memories are of being forced to share, of being told it's the right thing to do, also of being made wrong when I didn't want to share. Now, the thing is that was the past, is something which I acknowledge. Awareness, self-acceptance is something which I've started. But I don't want to latch on to this possessiveness now.
What if you can say, I
don't know what actions to take.
Ask, what can I be? What action can I be? Because it's not always about doing, it is about being a certain energy. So ask, what action can I be here to change this with ease? Be the action. Doing is again will come with thinking, with the reference point that, okay, I need to do this, I need to do this. And then you go into reason and justification ki, and then agar ek crack kar liya formula, then you will use that formula throughout your life, which will not work. So what action can I be here? Be the action which will transmute, change and shift all of this situation, or me in this situation, with total ease. So be the energy, be the action. Because we are always so big on doing and not on being.
Okay.
Being is receiving. When I'm just sitting, I may be receiving the sun. The nature doesn't do anything. Nature bees and receive. For receiving also, somewhere it is like, if I don't do something, how can I receive money from you? The action of being comes in place. Right? We need to prove that we are deserving to receive something. That's the reason we can't receive us. And receiving ourselves is also like, how can I receive this? I'm doing nothing. Because in my mind, I have a judgment that I'm doing nothing. So how can I receive that I have some quality? Unless people validate me. And possessiveness also comes because the other person was validating me in my universe, that you are good. That's the reason I'm there with you. I'm giving you time. I'm receiving you because the person received you. And that's the reason I'm possessive, because I'm validated. But the only thing is, if you don't validate your own self, you don't receive your own self, you will not be received by anyone. And that's where we all always operate from lack.
Okay, so the one question you say is to ask, what action can I take here?
What action can I be? Not
what
take.
Action can I be?
Yes. What action can I be here today to change this with total ease? And every day you have to ask the same question, because every day you may have to be a different energy. One formula doesn't fit. It is not X plus Y is equal to Z or whatever it is. I'm trying to be mathematician here, but no.
Can I write this on the group? If I write it wrong, will you correct it? I think that will work best.
No, I will not correct it. I am leaving control, Baba. I am such a control freak. I'm just trying to leave control. And I'm trying to submit and surrender. Submit. Because submit always felt like laziness. Because submission is like laziness. Kuch nahi kar rahe ho, submit. I'm like, kuch to kar lo yaar. You need to take charge. But it goes hand in hand, where you need to be a leader, where you need to submit.
Yeah.
Where you need to do, where you need to be. It's a hand in hand. It is not just one thing.
Okay.
You have to be. When you're being something and your energy will require an action, you need to take that action. You will not say, oh, I've become a starfish. I will lay down now and I will just be, the universe will take care. Tathastu.
Oh dear.
It's like husband कुछ नहीं करते, महाराज जाके तथास्तु करते हैं, बच्चे हो जाते हैं. No, somebody else did action, but there was a. Okay. Anybody else? Anything else? Any other example that they are possessive about that we can, because we did relationship primarily, nothing else. But in case if there's something else you're possessive about, or something that you would like to share, or you want to put your question if you don't want to speak. Oh, बहुत सन्नाटा है. So what about money? How many people are possessive about money?
So money is the same as things.
Yeah,
So we did talk about that.
yeah,
So in the case of the things, because one thing that's always so far I've realized now that if I think I won't be able to get this thing, then I'll buy. And now I've been home for more days than I remember. And I opened my cupboard. Instead of the servant opening, I opened. And I looked inside and I see so many things I bought which have expired.
yeah. So that's the thing with hoarding and possessiveness is also the thing. But see, right now what's going is the coronavirus, right? But there's a fear, the mindset that there will be lack. You will run out. That's
Yeah.
the reason you see so many of us or your friends, people you know, are stocking things up. Do they require? No. Why are they eating? They're eating also too much. Why are they eating? Because the fear कि कल खाना मिलेगा नहीं खिलेगा खा लो. Because what it does, it triggers all those lifetime where there was a famine, where there was lack of food. So it triggers those energies. We don't know why are we behaving like this. Why there's a herd mentality. We become that cattle mentality where everybody's doing, so you also doing without even asking a question. Do I require this? Does this fit in my situation? May not, because I can understand in certain situation it fits because they may not have flexibility of transportation. But if you're in a main city where your grocery is open, do you really need to stack up so much? No. But it somewhere, not cognitively, but energetically tap into so many lifetimes where there was a war, a famine, and somebody is having that and other is picking it up because the other one is doing. We all like to follow what others are doing without even questioning, does this read to me? How many?
So my question, sorry to interrupt, my question is, this hoarding thing now, at the moment, most people in the world are doing it, those who have the opportunity.
Yeah.
But I was hoarding before that.
Yeah.
Not on many things, certain things, which I think.
What were you hoarding on? Let me ask you this.
So I went to South Africa and there was some medicines I wanted. So instead of one bottle, I bought 3 bottles. Now 2 have expired.
So because
I thought I wouldn't get it here.
You already concluded that you will not get this. So if I don't get it, I might as well stock it up. That's the mentality. What is the conclusion you have that you will not make it? If it's money, I will not make it. So I better save it. If it's medicine, when will I go South Africa? I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. We all do it. Like I remember going to Bali and somebody says it's a very nice multivitamin, that serum, you can put it on hair, very nice. And you said, okay, who's going to come again to Bali for this? Let's take 2 bottles.
Yeah, exactly.
2, I have not even used 1. Because everybody was buying and you get into their mentality and ask, do I require it? Will I be using it? If not, then I don't want to buy, because also the point of view is we want to have that connection point with people whom we shop with or with people whom we go out with. Because they should be in the same wavelength. They should not think, you're so stupid, because the judgment would have come, you're so stupid, why are you not using, strategize, take it, you will not get it. That's what when they said, I said, okay, not 3, maybe 2. So I took it because I didn't want it to be called stupid. I was refusing a judgment of saying, yes, I'm stupid, but I'm not going to do that. Because in their universe, it's being stupid. So how much we hoard or possess things because we don't want the judgment, we fear the judgment. And that's again a rejection.
Yeah. Ultimately, it comes down to the
Come down
rejection.
to rejection. So if I would have been so comfortable in my skin, I would have received that judgment with no point of view. Yes, I'm stupid, mad. I don't even think. Fine, I'll pay a little extra maybe later and ask somebody to buy it. But I didn't wanted that judgment that, oh, I'm trying to throw my money, weight of my money around, or I'm not being sensible, because I wanted to come across as intelligent and not stupid.
Yeah, image.
It's the image. So, but is it working? Is that
No, it's not
thing
working.
okay? So if we don't have to consider what people will think or the image we portray, are we willing to receive the rejection?
Yes.
Are you willing to receive yourself, or you will only receive when people approve of you?
Yeah. That's changed. That's changed. Thank you. You have a lot to do with that.
Thank you. So Taruna says,
Little has changed, little is still there, yeah.
so what do you
Can I also
feel
ask
that you told-
something?
Yeah, Jasmine. And same hai, money ka kuch hai, I'll read that, or okay, go.
Oh, okay. It was about hoarding. Shall I say it first, or you want to talk about money?
Say, go ahead, say.
So I am holding on to the clothes of few years earlier when I was younger, thinking that someday I will slim up, but I do nothing for that. But
Okay, tell
I
me one thing. You're hoarding that you will get back. If did you ask your body, would you like to wear it? If no, let it go. And if you lose weight and body doesn't like that style, why can't you go to the market and buy something different for yourself? Something very new, something very fashionable, in trend then.
guess I must be holding on to only those which probably would be fashionable, I think.
It's a nice
Or the
conclusion.
ones which I liked, or the ones which I thought I looked beautiful
Or are
in.
you holding on the emotions, that the compliments that people gave you with that clothes?
Or the holding on to feeling beautiful.
Yeah, so where have you decided that only those clothes can make you feel beautiful or nice? Other set of clothes which you feel buy in the market will not.
Or where have I decided that this current shape is not beautiful?
Yeah, so everywhere you're not making your current state body look beautiful because you have an image of what beauty is and what beauty isn't. So I will only look beautiful if I have a particular size, shades, and I will not receive from my body unless it goes back to that. And that time, if you actually recollect, you have
So
a
what I do is, like, I'm usually not present to my body, and suddenly, like, I see, like, some, I don't know, so many years
What
ago,
are
I
you running
suddenly
away from? If I have to say, if you're not currently present all most of the time, so what are you running away from?
but I see a photo 7 years, like 7 years ago, I saw my photo of 21 years, and I was like, oh my god, I was so beautiful, I didn't know that. And suddenly, like,
So ऐसे सारा age हो जाएगा, will become 100 and will say, oh my god, I was so beautiful at 42. Oh my god, I was so beautiful
yeah. So like, I keep,
So
like,
what
I
you
never
like about
care for
having,
myself, and then I keep looking at some past picture and thinking that was beautiful and this is not beautiful.
Jasmine, question to you. What do you love about revisiting your past rather than enjoying your present?
Everything. That
So what have you concluded is so bad about your present that either you will go in the future or in the past, but you will not stay in your present? Because you've concluded something which is not good, so that you can't receive your present. Everything which doesn't allow all of you to receive your present state with your body, with your finances, with whatever relationship, with whatever it is, everything which doesn't allow you to rejoice your present so much that you have fun with your body, with whatever state, whatever you having problem with, and everything which doesn't allow you to have that as your reality, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, coconut. It's a conclusion. It is you have concluded, you have rejected, you have basically you're saying, boss, I am rejecting you. You're rejecting your body because it doesn't fit. So how much people reject you? How much in fear you are that if you don't fit into people's bill or idea, they will reject you. That's the reason you don't even approach, because you are rejecting your body day in, day out, looking at those clothes because it doesn't fit into that. So when we reject, when we do with ourselves, that's what we fear that others will do with us, and that's the reason we don't approach or be vulnerable. What if you can say, hi body, I love wearing this clothes. Do you miss wearing this clothes? Would you like to wear it now? Not future. Would you like to wear it now? If yes, let's get in the shape. If not, whom do you think would you like to go to? Which will be a contribution to them. How much fun it will be to see somebody else wearing and have a smile. It's not necessarily I have to wear it. It was
Yeah,
something
I'm
I
very
love.
quick at giving away my son's clothes, but my own.
Yeah, so where have you decided that if you give it away, this was a proof that you were this size at some point of time, then you'll have no proof because your body is not going back there. You have concluded that. It's an achievement award that I'm holding. Okay, at least I can tell I was not lying. See, I have this award. I may not have any award right now, but I had this award when I was a child, you know. I was very good at drawing. I may not be drawing right now, but I have an award. It's a proof. Who needs this proof? Nobody needs this proof. If you like that body, if you rejoice that body, first of all, you need to be in a body.
Right.
Because you have concluded
Thanks,
staying in a
Sunena.
body
I
is
cut
not
you.
good.
No, it's okay. I've forgotten. We'll talk about it when it comes up again.
Karuna, with regards to money, I am very possessive. I have money still. I feel that if I finish, I won't be able to create. Even after creating, still I am insecure. Truth, whose point of view it is that creating money is very difficult and hard. That you really need to work. So you need to save on for the rainy days. Tarun, are you there? Not there? I don't know. I just took the question now. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm there.
Yeah. So whose point of view it
So
is, Taruna?
it's not my point of view.
See, how much are you creating in your life? A lot?
Like I'm saying a lot, and still there is
Okay,
this.
no. But how much? 20, 30 creation going on in a day?
In a day 20, 30 to nahi hota, lesser than that, like quite
10?
lesser.
10?
Not even that, no. At
5?
times 10, yeah, at times 5 or at times lesser
Okay.
than that.
So, okay, what have you decided first of all about creation? What is creation? It's a very different topic, but I'm just going here a little to touch and give you some glimpse. What have you decided about what is creation?
Like, uh, to do things, like
To
to
do
do
things,
things.
right? What if being is also a creation? Choosing is creation.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So now the
So,
thing is, because you're not creating enough and you're so bored, so you're picking into other people's head, picking up their stuff and trying to fix it for them without even getting paid for it.
I do that a lot.
So what are you trying to prove yourself? What are you good at? Which you're not trying, which you don't believe, but you're trying to prove by picking things up from people's stuff and doing it for them.
I There are two things that I don't believe in that I'm really good at. One is with my sessions, and one is facilitation.
Okay,
Like
great.
I am good at it, and I am yet like.
Thanks for your
How would
vulnerability. Okay, one question. Is there anybody who came twice after receiving your one session?
Yeah, but then very less of people turn up again.
That's okay. Do you give everything in one session?
Yes,
Do you give more than
like
what? Do
then
you give?
more than
Do
more
you give
than
them
what
more
is-
what they're willing to receive?
Yes.
So when you give somebody more than what they're willing to receive, they can't receive it because we have a receiving problem. All of us have a receiving problem. If I go to your house and you load me with gifts all the time, I feel so obligated and I don't want to come. And you're like, but so I to treat her like a princess, yeah. I make fancy food, I give this and I give that. Why is it not coming to me and why it's going to stay at that person's house who says, ये bed है, खाना अपने आप बना लेना, okay, bye. What if you don't have to prove you're a goody?
I still keep doing that.
That's okay.
all
But
the
what
time.
if before every session, if you make a demand, I'm only going to give this person whatever the person is willing to receive, depending upon if they paid me a lakh also. If I give you 1 lakh for a session, what will you do right now? Truth. You will lay down on the floor. for me to give
No,
everything,
because yes, I do that. I do that a lot.
right? But what
Yeah.
if the services are not equivalent to the price? You are more valuable product than you are considering yourself, because you're choosing something different which they don't have a guts to.
I didn't get you. Can you?
You are choosing something that they don't have a guts to choose. That's the reason you're more valuable product than them. That's the reason they're coming. But that doesn't mean because they're paying that you become their servant and you squeeze yourself and give it to them.
Okay, so does it mean कि वो लोग pay करे तो हम? I just get this confusion कि
अच्छा एक सेकंड प्लीज बताओ, स्कूल जाते थे, we all paid fees, school fees. There were some students who will take and some student who will not take. It was when we used to complain teacher फालतू है या टीचर का ना private tuition चल रहा है, so इसलिए सिखाता नहीं है, right? That was the complaint we used to come and give our mom. So we need tuition. Okay, so we took tuition blaming the teacher, but there were kids who never took tuition, took whatever the teacher had to offer and created. Yes. Did the teacher feel bad? Why are these lafangas, backbenchers not listening and taking from me? They also paid the same amount which the front benchers paid for me. My child goes to a IB school where we pay whole shot and still we have to go to tuition. But I'm not saying the school. Why are they not teaching? Because I know my child is not receiving. So it's not you. Irrespective whether it's 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 50 lakh.
Okay, so what do I do to have people who would like to receive what I am willing to give?
Are
Is
you,
my
are you willing to take money irrespective they don't receive? Because we need to justify our receiving.
Okay, I'm not.
You don't have to justify your receiving. Like ask Shio, if he's an account, like okay, in his position, he may be offered, suppose a random figure, say 50 lakhs a month or 1 CR a month for just signing a check. Is that deserving to give him that? No, but he can have it. And the other person is like, but I'm slogging, I'm doing all this thing, and you give me 50,000.
That's what I do. Like I'm angry about, because people have money, but when we give our sessions, they say that no, it's expensive. So why is that to us then?
So great. Are you going to honor and say, but this doesn't work for me, expensive? Sorry, not for you. You can't afford it. Are you willing to receive that judgment? You're bloody so money-minded. You only think about money. Money comes first to you. People's health doesn't come for you. You can't come discount. I'm so feeling unhealthy. I have this issue, and you are still stuck on your price. Are you? Is it honoring? Ask. See, it's not about the price. You have to ask, is it honoring of me or not? If it's honoring, I will discount. If it's not honoring of me, I will not do it. How much you have decided, how much do you judge when you pay money to others? Am I getting the service done or not? Did they delivered it what I paid for? We don't ask, was I receiving or I was not receiving? So when I have a judgment, the same judgment I'll apply on myself in my service. Okay. I'm not going to create something different. So that's a telltale sign that you need to clear those blocks. So once you stop judging people, you will not have a judgment of yourself also. Because if there's no judgment, I don't know ABCD, how will I say ABCD? I will only say ka, kha, ga, ga, da. Because I only know that.
Okay,
yeah?
Got that.
And there was another part, my chain left his, so yeah, just ask what can the person receive and only give that they receive and says, okay, I will do my 100% with whatever they can receive. So I'm giving 100% from my side. So if you're a PhD student, you will not teach the kindergarten PhD level.
Well, you can, but they can't receive it.
So you go on, they will run away from you. They say some mad lady has come in my class and I don't know what they're talking, mom, I'm not going. I want to put 2 blocks. She's saying scientifically how 2 blocks become the triangle. It is as simple as this. See, when you make it fun, limitation goes like this. If you try to make it very significant that's a problem, you will hold on. You become possessive because you made it significant. So everywhere you are possessive about something is because you have made that stuff so significant in your life that you feel you cannot breathe without it.
Okay. I have.
And everything that is, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, important, pork, all 9 short birds and beyonds, and run this clearing everywhere. I've made this issue, this particular thing, this space, this behavior, this style so significant, I let go of it. If I know not this, how will I create this? If I don't know this person, whom will I go and talk? If I don't know what the relationship is, what kind of a relationship will I create? If I don't know how to take care of my stuff, how will I choose to decorate or put my things out? Anybody had some question? I don't know, otherwise. Yeah, Taruna, does that satisfy?
Yeah, it does, but it's still a heavy universe for me. Like,
Is
really
it your universe? So how many people's solution are you trying to find who are holding on you and trying to get?
lot many.
So can you offload those holders from your shoulder? Tell them, pay you and come for the class.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, anybody else? Any question about possessiveness, about hoarding? Then I will just do one last clearing and then we're good to go. Okay. What energy, space, consciousness, and choice can you and your body, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, possibility can you and your body be to receive you with total ease for all eternity? Everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, receive your own self. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate at all times of Gazalian?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 short birds and beyonds. And whose lies, what lies, and how many lies have you bought from your mother or your father or your family that you need to hold, which doesn't allow you to see that different reality exists for you? And everywhere you're following their footprints, their footsteps, by in creating your life and living, can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all 9 short birds and beyonds. Because a lot of times it's also come mimicking from parents' reality. We mimic them. We have seen them doing it. We didn't like it, but by default, same action. Or we liked it, how they take care. By default, we created whether it's required in the situation or not. See, we are an infinite being who is supposed to shift, turn anything, whatever the situation requires. But if you make your particular way of living or a style significant, you will hoard and be possessive about that style, which doesn't allow you to outgrow, outlearn, create something different, what is required.
Thank you.
Welcome. So I think that if there's nothing, no other question, or if there's any question, I'm happy. Otherwise, we are good to go. So, Monica,
Thank you, Suruchi.
We are good. Thanks a lot.
Monica, can't hear you? Are muted. You have to unmute. You have to say something.
Hi.
Hi.
It's so nice to attend your calls now. I just love them.
Thank you. You guys make my day. Believe me, I am like, it's nice when people receive, because it just makes me happy. So yeah,
Thank you so much.
It
thank
is
you.
a real gift. Thank you so much.
I have a question, Suruchi.
Tell me.
Bye.
She has a question. She wait. Okay.
She was getting ready for the next call.
Yeah, 9:30. Yeah, tell me.
I did CF training abhi online wala. While doing that, I had a question: why am I doing that? मतलब क्या सच में I am that capable that I can be a CF and I can.
Okay, what does CF means to you?
CF is basically what I get is taking a foundation class.
No,
Okay.
that is not what a CF is.
Okay.
Do you facilitate? Do you like facilitating people in your day-to-day life with the license, without
Yes, 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 yes.
the? Do
I
you
love that.
believe? Do you believe, like when you facilitate, because you have your own energy, you have your own style. What you can facilitate, I cannot facilitate, because you tap into a universe which I can't tap into with your style. Because you are you and I am I. So with that, how many people, just tap the energy of how many people are waiting to receive what you can offer to them? बहुत सारे हैं यार, मुझे तो बहुत सारे हैं. नहीं नहीं, कैसे हो सकता है मोनिका तू? नहीं नहीं.
Suruchi, then why don't they show up?
Okay, because are you willing to show up?
No.
So if it's like I will not show up, I will in my dreams say I will do it. So what action have you taken or been? What if it's not about foundation? What is about like, okay, I know I like this dress, I picked it up, but I can't wear this dress every day, right? If I wear a party dress and says, oh fine, I'm wearing a party dress, they'll say pagal ho gayi hai. So what if to build a muscle slowly, you can start with small calls. They will get a taste of you, you will get a taste of them. You do with book club, you do with anything and everything which starts building that muscle of trusting your own knowing. Not about anything, it's a muscle of trusting your own knowing. And when you build that muscle of trusting your own knowing, you will be amazed how things unfold, because universe will give you what you are ready to take on. And everything you've concluded or people's ideas, projections, clear it off the head कि CF बन गई या कुछ नहीं करती है. ले तो लिया, इतने बात कर दिए, करेगी क्या? It's like a
मैं ये
degree holder.
देखती हूँ, हाँ मैं ये देखती हूँ सुरुचि, लोग मतलब जो CF से इतना अच्छे से क्लियरिंग कराते हैं, इतना अच्छे से करते हैं, मुझे लगता है शायद मैं वो नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
कोई बात नहीं, अगर क्या पता जिसको जो आया उसको क्लियरिंग नहीं करनी, उसको खाली समझना है. उसको ऐसा चाहिए कि कोई उसको वो टाइम दे सके. Where why we are sucker for people who don't judge? What if you can just be an epitome where you don't judge and just be there for that person?
I'm ready to do the class anytime you want, like that one. I'm forever waiting for people to say they are willing to facilitate, and I jump into the call. And I can't tell you how much gratitude I have for all the different CFs. And I seriously am telling you, I have understood only after doing it with different people, because I used to say, no, I'll only do everything with Suruchi. So here I am, one person who's saying myself today with Suruchi on the call, that really the energy of that person can be so different कि सुरुचि ने मुझे डंडा मार के भी वो चीज मुझे सिखाई होगी, पर वो कभी कभी किसी और के बात करने से वो लास्ट वाला किला अंदर घुस जाता है.
So it's like, if you don't have to judge, because the thing is, see how we go to houses, okay, everybody's making the same dal and roti, but it tastes very different in each household. And sometimes we don't like our own household and we say it's so tasty, and you're like, it's such a basic, yaar, maine kuch nahi kiya. But you are like, no, but it's so tasty. What did you put? You are missing some ingredient. What if you are that ingredient that people are looking for? And everywhere you're comparing your facilitation. Don't compare your facilitation style. Don't compare how your presentation of your food is compared to other ones. Somebody may be in a hotel chef, somebody may be a dhaba chef, somebody may be this, that, whatever they are. But I have what I have to offer. Do you want to have what I have to offer?
Yeah.
Because I'm good at what I make. I'm not good at what others make, but I'm good at what I make. Are you willing to have that?
Yeah, I think I was going into self-judgment.
See, the thing is, it's the fear of rejection. You're not putting out yourself because you've already concluded that they will not receive you. You've already concluded that you have nothing to offer. You are comparing. What are you comparing? On what basis are you comparing? There's nothing comparison. आपकी रोटी गोल बनी, मेरी फ्लैट बनी, that's it. रोटी तो मैंने भी बनाई.
Right.
You have a practice, you can make chapatis, like maybe in speed, 1 hour, 100 chapatis, I will make only 2 chapatis. Why? Do I know? Yes, but I'm not practiced. So that muscle is not built up. It's just that. It's not that I don't know. It's just that I'm not using that muscle right now. The day I decide, I will. So have you decided? Because you decided, you chose. And choosing, it's not only one door, it's multiple choice that you have to keep choosing. And every moment, every day, you have to keep choosing.
Yeah.
So what can I choose today? How would I like to choose today to show up and say, hi, I don't know what I'm going to talk, but I just wanted to talk with you guys. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, I
Because
got that.
if you have that nurturing, like how we spoke about Karuna, about a different flavor of boyfriend. Somebody is very C kind, and somebody tries to tell me C kind, I'll be C. Then I'm like, I'm not being me. This is not my flavor. My flavor is this. And somebody may not like my flavor, but that doesn't mean I'm a bad flavor. It's just that I'm not your taste. Okay, fine. Universe, send me somebody who have my taste. Bring it on. It'll be more fun. Because I don't want to pretend. Yes, yes. And deep in the heart, I'm thinking, let's go dancing. I can't sit anymore. Right. So then facilitation will be fun for you too. Where if you don't have to pretend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so
And you
much.
will rock with your vulnerability.
Yeah.
You will rock. How many people are vulnerable? Ask what is that special in you that you have it. And just be that energy and go all out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
Taruna.
you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
This is a bit out of the topic, but then how does one get congruent to a pricing?
Congruent to?
A pricing. I mean, like the price that I would like to charge. How do I get congruent to it? Or
Ask what is fun for you. Will it create greater? Maybe fun for me be charging 20,000, but will it create greater? No. What kind of a people am I looking for? Okay, fine. Because then don't.
so can it be the?
Don't.
I mean, like, can it be the? Can it be the lower prices that I usually charge, and I'm really comfortable
Yeah,
in that, and
that's
having
what I
more
said.
people?
That's what I said. Don't label yourself because people say, why are you charging so less? They brand you. But what if you're looking for a mass production and not a excuse it line?
Yeah, I get it now. Okay, ठीक है.
बैग इज बैग एलवी भी है चार्ल्स एंड कीथ भी है एंड इन बिटवीन कोई और बैग भी है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कि भैया मुझे अपने मार्केट अपना कहाँ पोजीशनिंग करनी है कैसी पोजीशनिंग करनी है अभी कल हो सकता है मैं चेंज कर दूं
I got that. Thank
Yeah?
you.
Great. Okay, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Nice chatting.
Bye.
And in
Thank
case you
you.
want the recording, you'll have to send me a message because I don't have most of your email ID. So, yeah. So if you send me a message, I will send you recording. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless.